How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can switch back to personal account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to switch back to personal account on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, this is the kind of interface you will see. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, what you have to do from here is, you can see currently I have a professional account. You can first of all tap on edit profile here, and then here you'll see personal information and so on. So over here it'll take you to account center, but this is not where we want to go. What we actually need to do is we need to tap on the three lines option from the top right, then go to option called creator tools and controls, switch account type and switch to personal account, then tap on the switch option to switch them to your personal account. So I hope that this video helps you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.